Okay, just taking your supplements now. Okay. Any more supplements? Okay. Anything else that needs to be on this list that isn't? Okay, so what's the first priority for this body? Okay, so probably no surprise, it's either the GynoClear, MenstruClear, or calcium D-glucarate. With the calcium D-glucarate, if you've got any left, or that Femex powder, just whenever you're having a smoothie or something like that, just whack some in there, you know, just sort of, because I know they're a bit of a challenge for you, just sort of, you know, just use them up slowly over a period of time, because they're still showing up as doing some good in there. So the first priority is in that system. So really just, you know, just keeping on cleaning out the dodgy toxins that are creating the environment that are allowing the disharmony in the area. It's practically the same, but 3 vitamin D a day instead of 2. And of course using externally anytime. Oh, that's right, we've got it in the thing. Yep, cool. Okay. So body still wants the Bactrex and SB, but at lower doses. So 4 of the Bactrex or 2 of the SB. So that's a really good shift. Yeah. Still likes the Brockies and Stem Enhance. Yeah, and the probiotics. Just 2 of those Omega EFAs on normal days, but if the pain is high, up it to 6. So that's still showing up. So it's still that symptomatic sort of getting a little bit in there, but you know, when it's feeling really uncomfortable, taking 3. But you know, this time vitamin C isn't showing up, immunogenics isn't showing up, Andro-NK isn't showing up. So the immune system itself is actually running really nicely in the background. So it feels like the systemic stuff internally has sort of calmed itself down, which is really neat. So, timeline. I'm going to ask a couple of timelines. So the infections themselves, then the damage, then the DNA damage, or the genetic. Yeah, right. So through the body's feels like it feels like there's like about 90% of the healing done, but when we go locally, it's down to about 60%. So, so there's still some damage that's really been traumatized that is still healing in that area. And about 70% of the fungal infection and candida is gone. None of the bacteria and viral components are feeling pretty good. Even the retroviruses that showed up again today, because of the supplements, the programs are being created so that your body can deal with them. Yeah, right. Okay. And same with the genetic damage or the DNA, the whole epigenetic changes that have happened. We're about 70% of the way through there. So, you know, it's sort of around that 60 to 90%, depending on what I ask, of the way through there. So that feels like, you know, we're on the, you know, we're on our way out, which feels good. Okay, I'll upload this and I'm sure we'll talk tonight. Bye.